everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am happy to introduce you to the Pick a Pocket wallet. Let me show you some of the features of this bag. So this is a Chris W. Designs pattern. It has a snap closure. You can see it's a very slender. It can be made in cottons. I did a faux leather exterior and a cotton inside. On the inside, on this side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 card slots. And then you have a slip pocket here, a slip pocket here, and then a zipper pocket in the middle. On the other side, you have an ID window with 1, 2, 3, 4 slots there. And then another slip pocket in behind. And then there is a padded pocket right here, which may fit a small cell phone possibly. It is padded, so that's always good. My phone is too big and definitely wouldn't fit in there. But yeah, it's another great pocket. So in this teeny tiny wallet, you have so many pockets, which is why it's called a pick-a-pocket wallet. Anyways, if you would like to order one of these to match one of your bags, you know what to do. Or if you just wanted to order a wallet, all my information is down below. Shoot me a message, get me on social media, give me an email, and we'll get one ordered up for you. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!